Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove clickable radio buttons from fillable PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is especially useful when you're updating forms and need to clean up outdated or unnecessary interactive elements. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files and tools. Now, navigate to the Recent Files section. This area displays all the PDFs you've worked on lately, making it easy to find the document you need. Go ahead and select the PDF file from which you want to remove the clickable radio button. Click on it to open the file in your workspace. Once your PDF is open, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various tools and options for working with your document. Click on View More to expand the menu and see additional features that Adobe Acrobat offers. Scroll down through the options until you find Prepare a Form. This is the tool that allows you to edit all the interactive elements in your PDF, including radio buttons, checkboxes, text fields, and more. Click on it to enter the form editing mode. Now you're in the form preparation interface, where all your interactive elements are visible and editable. Locate the radio button you want to delete. Right-click on this radio button, and from the menu that appears, select Delete. This will remove that specific radio button from your form immediately. If you need to remove additional radio buttons, simply repeat these same steps for each one. However, if you want to delete multiple radio buttons at once, there's a quicker way to do it. Click and drag to highlight all the radio buttons you want to delete. Once they're all selected, right-click on any of the highlighted buttons, then choose Delete from the menu. This will remove all the selected radio buttons in one go, saving you time if you're cleaning up a form with many elements. After you've removed all the unnecessary radio buttons, it's important to save your changes. In the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This ensures that all your edits are preserved and the radio buttons are permanently removed from your PDF form. And that's it. You've successfully removed clickable radio buttons from your fillable PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.